We don't worry about food shortage around here. DIY, easy build chicken coops. Easy build, easy move. We move these chickens daily. It's like they free ranging in their own protected little area. Yeah.
30 hertz straight up.
Bugs, not drugs, is the way to go. They eat everything that you got left over, don't you know? They be grubbing, ugging, they some hungry little birds. And they the best that you ever gonna see. That's right. The best eggs, the best meat. Bug fed, fresh grass. They all about eating that good stuff. Ha ha, yeah. Check us out. Raw diet all day, baby. That's right. Peace.
MSU bully. Hey, your dog bloodline. I put my blood, sweat, and tears into this. I'm never gonna quit. I keep on grinding. Never gonna stop until I die. Life is crazy. It's a blessing. What you gonna do when I come in? I'm straight forward and bit, ripping that shit. Home on the trips, sucking the dick. Don't you know it ain't EOT without thinking? Fuck that, I'm a maniac. I ain't see without no limb jack.
Hertz straight up.
Yeah. MSU Bully Farm. Haven's Homestead. That's right. We ain't going hungry round here, no sir. You can have food shortage, you can have bachelor, you can have shitty leadership and run it all the shit. I'm still gonna feed my dogs and me. I don't give a damn about all this drama they be pushing. Don't you know I'm real when I spittin' on the cushion? You know I'm on that flow and I kick it like this. Next thing you know, you're gonna get my lip.
30 hertz straight up.
Chickens are better than pigs, yes sir. They be eating and a sleeping and a eating, yes sir. They don't ever gonna quit. They ain't ever gonna stop. They gon' eat and eat and eat that spot, yeah.
Better get that water before it gets you, man. You better strike fight first before it turns into pain. It's coming for you. It's that water, man. It's coming for you. It's that water, man. It's coming for you. It's that water, man. You better get your water, get your water, get your water, get your water, man. Before it gets you too, get your water. Before it grabs you too, get your water, man. You gotta get your water, man. Get your water, man. Get your water, man. Get your water, man. Man. Get your water.